Morning, everybody. Yeah. Good morning, Dad.
Morning.
Hey, taking Chewy. Hey there. Come on there. Here, on the bike here. On the bike here. Here. On the bike. Good boy. Right, down. Yeah, I'll have to go get the cows in. They're about half an hour to 40 minutes from the cow shed. Just finished wetting the yard there. The reason why I wet the yard, it makes it a lot easier for Dad to wash it, because when it's wet, it actually lifts a lot of those hard to get bits of cow crap. So it's about twice as fast when it's wet, so that washing up. Right, we're all ready. Just gotta wait for some cows now. They're coming. Oh, they're not going far today. I hope Dad's ready for them. They're coming. Come on, girls. It's away. Dallas is second to last. There's Dallas. Your Jersey first. Hello, Dylan. Are you all good? All right? Good. Sweet. All right, on to the next row. Come on, ladies, push her up. Come on, girls. Best buddies. Oh, look at that. Des is feeding the calves. Hey, Des, no kids today. Makes a change of pace. There we are this morning feeding the first lot of calves. They're at 34. They're getting 6 buckets a day now, so it's 120 litres, which we've cut down from 140 litres. So it's good. Let's see how they've gone eating their pellets. I'll tell you what. That's a good sign. They do prefer pellets. We had that same problem last year. Trying to feed them meal. They ate meal while they're in the shed, but once they come out to the paddock here, they stopped eating the meal, and so we had to start getting pellets. And they like their pellets. They're Reliant 20%. They are Reliance 20%. That worked well. They seem to like it, so it's good to see. So we're going to we'll probably switch over to pellets for these outside ones till they really get going and eating meal. But yeah, the pellets actually tend to be cheaper. The 16% pellets and 20% pellets are generally cheaper than your meal, so meal and muesli. That's all right. We'll get on to switching that up. These calves love their pellets, which is good. With them eating the pellets, they'll start bunging them up a bit. I did forget to tell you, Tessa actually drenched them the other day too, so see all these, a couple of these had crappy bums. They're actually cleaning up a bit, and that electrolytes is working well to clean up those ones that have some scours. All right, looks like they're done. The way they're moving around, yep, they're done. All right, let's get out of here. Joey, stop looking calves' butts. Check the taps are off first, so they're off, which is a good sign. Alright, this is alright. She's going to go give those calves around behind the red shed a dredge. Dad looks like he's going to start cleaning all this up, and I'm going to go feed out a bale of silage to these girls, the milkers, and then a bale of silage to the calving mob. This is feeding those calves, and I got Chewy walking around here somewhere. Arrows. And the tractor getting away from them. Alright, let's undo this bale. Got it. Finishing loading up here. Look, the calves are happy in those two pens. Wreaking havoc in this pen. Gates open. Oh, that's alright. Let's do that. Let's go and grab our other bale. We actually put some chores bag on it just before when Dad was washing the yard. We're loading up the first trolley. It's got some chores bag mixed in a bucket on it now, so it's good. We'll pick that bale up and go and feed out the silage.
So dirty. I was too slow. I look up and he's on the ground. He's crawling.
A nice slip and slide just then. I stepped off the mat. Amazing how slippery it is off the mat compared to on the mat. You just seem to forget how slippery it is. Right, well, let's go and feed these girls some silage. Reload up for the other girls. There's still got a bit of grass in here. Around here somewhere. That one? Jersey crossbreed, yeah, yes. That one. Come on. Push her up, girl. Come on. Push up, girl. Come on. Come. Come on. Go. Happy ass. Sorted. Yeah. Go. She's in the herd now. He's busy. With that, I think we're all done this morning. Dad's put the calf away. I'll see you all at milking tonight. There they are, they go fishing. Lucky buggers. Kenzie and Dallas and Tessa all on the boat. Kenzie and Dallas are going to put their life jackets on. Grandad there holding in place, waiting. Park the boat up. Get in the boat, get in the boat. Lucky bastard. Bye, Dennis. Have fun. And they're off fishing. Yeah, hopefully. Okay. Thank you. Look at that work up over there. Jeez. Look at them all. Incredible. And where are they? Right there, still heading out. Gotta get past the sand. And they'll be away. There he goes. He's flying.
Grab it again. Grab it again.
Hold the rope like that is.
Kenzie, grab the line.
Like Dan has. And grab that. Hold that. Put your arm up and I'll take a photo for you. Alice, you're rounding your reel.
Yeah.
Afternoon, everybody. Just putting this rinse cycle through, and Dad's hanging up the jetters down there. So Dad was the closest today. He was only 11 litres off. Mum was second closest. There's Chewy here. Where did he come from? Oh, that's right. John and Tess are out fishing, so Chewy is here with us. Right, just letting the rinse cycle go through, and we'll get to milking. Cows are very close. There the ladies come. Dad's going to go down and check the dry cows, set up paddock for the night. He's going to come back, get the rest of the cows out of the paddock and wind up the reel. So with that, we're going to keep going. Just a matter of us closing that. Setting it up so the girls just wait out here anyways. We managed to fit the first 8 rows out here.
Just got the cows in. What a beautiful afternoon here. Can even see the grass growing. Fantastic.
Yeah, it's off to go let them go now. The reason why we hold them up so that everyone gets a good bite in the paddock. You let them, the first ones go too early, they'll end up eating most of that good grass. So you let them all go in a good bunch. Literally probably 8 rows there, that's 201 nearly. No big deal. There we go, they're off. They're standing behind the gates, the safest spot. Those girls are out of here. First ones to the paddock, get the goodest, best grass. Goodest, best. So by the time I actually get down there to feed out with the tractor, everyone's still grazing. Whereas usually if you've let a lot of cows go, if you go and let them go normally like we usually do, then they all, most of that first row is already sat down, mate, that good grass. So everyone gets a good bite of the good stuff with them being let go like that. Just waiting on this one to finish. This was a late double up, only just done as we started coupling the next rows. Happens, it happens. Got another double up over here. Milking all sorted. Just been going around picking up grass. Should have showed you the before. Far out. Been shoveling for a good 15 minutes. But that's alright. Dad's in there sorting out his milk for his calves. And I'm going to go and feed the older ones their electrolytes. Just the one pair. So there's our electrolytes we're feeding them. Blue Boost electrolyte. Because if you put hot water in first, you'll just end up cracking up the plastic. So, a nice warm bucket of electrolytes. Yeah, not too hot. So little, all the microbes and the goodies in it will survive very well. We've got our one of electrolytes here, ready to go. So go feed the cows behind the red shed. We'll quickly shoot home, go pick up a bag of pellets. Because they're in the back of my ute, so my ute's at home. Ready to go. It's 2 ice cream containers. I don't know what their measurements are, so something in ice cream containers. They got it measured out right, which is awesome. last feed, I think, for those ones behind the shed with electrolytes. The other ones had their last feed yesterday with electrolytes. Straight back in the meal, it's a sign they're all coming alive. Let's get rid of that scale. We're feeding the calves their electrolytes. It's a nice blue bucket. Shifted their meal trough from over there right around down to here. It's nice and far away from the shed. When we head off, we'll head off in the direction, go around the calf pellets. And they'll like that. Gave them about half a bag. This is what we're feeding them. Seem to have taken to that really well. Right, Chewy, little fella. Right. Calves are looking cleaner, the drench is working, the pour on, and the electrolytes has worked. I think we could just about stop feeding them electrolytes.
Yep, I'd say that was their last night's feed.
Yep. The fisherman coming down to wash the boat. Much easier washing it down here with the high pressure hose. And we've still got to feed one little mob of calves their meal, the pellets, and yeah. That's us. We're going to go down and feed cows their bale of silage too. Yeah, he's washed the boat inside and a little bit outside. Just driving out now. And then what they do is they'll take it up to mum and dad's and give it a salt away before they put it away. That's the way to do it. Don't get stuck. Get stuck. Hey, Dad, they get stuck. Yeah, he should have gone out in the paddock and turn around where it's drier and come back along there. He is stubborn. He won't give up till the ute's bellied. He's not going to give up till the ute's bellied. Tessa and Dad, and Dallas McKenzie and Chewy all headed off. We're just going to go feed the cows, hey Bella? Hey Aaron. Got a nice bale of silage here. We'll shoot down and go feed out, and we're going to come back and feed the little calfies. They have their silage, they have their grass. They are happy. It's good they're going to be nice and full in the morning. Let's go and feed some little calfies right behind my house. Nice and close to home. And with that, that's us. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the morning. Thank you. Bella, come here. Come on, picky time. Yeesh. Little kangaroo, hey?